Hi there, this is Imaneo. Welcome to my channel. Today I just purchased this beautiful microphone. This is a Blue Yeti microphone, and in this video we are going to unbox it and set it up together. And after that I'm going to compare it with my current setup. As you see, I'm using my MacBook Pro's microphone to record my voice, and after that I'm going to use this one, and then we can compare the voice that is recorded using this microphone and my MacBook Pro. So let's unbox it together. This is a USB cable. Okay, this is beautiful. Here you can adjust the volume, you can mute and unmute your voice recording. So I'm going to tie it to have a stable position. Yeah, I think that is good. Also here we have some options. I don't know what they do. Pattern. Okay, now here we have a USB socket and also a socket for headphone, maybe. And let me unbox this one. This is USB, so I'm going to use my converter. Okay, I just connected this beautiful Blue Yeti microphone with my MacBook, and now I'm going to compare these two together. So at first I'm going to record voice. I'm counting from 1 to 10, and I just record it with my MacBook, and after that I do the same and record with my new microphone. So let's compare them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, as you see, it records way better than the microphones from MacBook Pro, and I'm going to continue with that. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye.